After exploring the splendors of the Renaissance, our journey through time continues. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of the Middle Ages to discover an architectural gem nestled in Luxembourg, Beaufort Medieval Castle. Let yourself be transported to an era of knights, lords, and legends as we explore the impressive remnants of this fortress, forgotten by time. Perched on a rocky outcrop, Beaufort Castle majestically overlooks the Black Ern's Valley. This site, chosen for its strategic position, saw its first fortifications erected as early as the 11th century. Over the centuries, the castle underwent multiple expansions and modifications, reflecting the architectural and military evolutions of the era. It's truly a stone history book standing before us. As you walk through the castle's ruins, you can't help but be impressed by the ingenuity of its builders. Look closely at the massive walls, the imposing towers, and the deep moats, all elements designed to protect its occupants from enemy assaults. Imagine the drawbridges rising, the portcullises lowering, and archers positioned at the battlements, ready to defend this stronghold. Every stone tells a story of defense and survival. Beyond its military role, Beaufort Castle was a place of life, where the joys and sorrows of its inhabitants unfolded. Picture banquets in the Great Hall, whispers in the lordly chambers, and the relentless labor of the domestic staff. Archaeological discoveries have helped unveil the daily lives of these ladies and lords, their servants, and their soldiers. This is where the destiny of many noble Luxembourgish families played out. In the 17th century, a new dwelling was built right next door, the Renaissance castle, which you've just seen. The medieval castle, having become obsolete due to advancements in artillery, was gradually abandoned and fell into ruin. Yet, it was never truly forgotten. In the 19th century, it was acquired by the Jacques-Henri de Journe family, who began its restoration. Today, it's managed by the Luxembourg state, and public access is granted, offering everyone the chance to travel back in time. Beaufort Medieval Castle isn't just a collection of stones. It's a place where history comes alive, where imagination takes flight. As you wander through its ruins, you're walking in the footsteps of those who built, defended, and inhabited it. It's a powerful reminder of the richness of Luxembourg's heritage and the importance of preserving these witnesses to our past. We hope this exploration has captivated you.